Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's third shift was little bit moderate level obviously. So let's share my attempt, and whatever questions they ask here I will share with you. So 14th examination candidates can get an idea that how they arrange the questions in RRB clerk exam. Okay, so according to me it was really too tough. I mean maths portion is little bit tough because the level of questions they give, it's literally, I feel, RRBPO or IBPS PO pre-level. It's according to me, because I will show you what kind of questions they ask in the examination. So if I talk about the reasoning portion, so when the examination will start, that time first question come from number based question series. 4 to 5 sets given, and there this question like second lowest number from the left end, arrange all the questions of a number in descending order within the number, and then find the sum of the third digit of smallest number and first digit of highest number. This is not the exact question, I forgot the exact question, but the level and the type of the question was asked like this. Okay, next question, floor based puzzle. 7 floors are there, just within one possibility we easily find the answer. 5 questions come from there. Next, box based puzzle, 6 boxes in there, 5 questions come from there. One linear uncertain question come, and all are facing north, like n sits 7th from the left end, or no, M was sitting 7th from the left end, and n was third to the left of M, and n position from the right end is 13th from the right end. And now you say that how many persons are sitting in the arrangement. Okay, so that kind of question asked there. And another uncertain puzzle question means 4 to 5 questions come from there, and it was little bit lengthy, not so lengthy, but it was little bit lengthy, and the interface was totally bad, and it's really time consuming. Whatever questions they ask there, most of the questions embedded in 5th option, so we have to scroll ups and down the bar they give, because the scroll bar in the mouse portion was totally locked, so we cannot use it properly, and that's why it was really too much bad. The interface must be changed, it's really needed, because this shift is totally different. Most of the candidates cannot attempt more than 72, 73. Most of the candidates, I check some of the candidates attempt 66, 65 and 70 questions. Some of them are attempted 76 and 79. I don't know what's their quality is, maybe very high, and they definitely cleared the examination, right? So most of the candidates, whatever I see today, that in other YouTube platforms I have checked right now, and see the attempts of most of the candidates are below 60 or below 70, 66, 67, 60 to 70 range attempted is the majority. Okay, next, some question come from alphanumeric series, and the last letter like X was written as such, we cannot see it properly, and after doing some questions, 3 to 4 questions, I find that one option is given MX, but before I don't see the X, because it was embedded after the scroll bar portion. I mean the screen was not set properly, right? So that's why I have to invest 3 to 4 minutes to find this X option. Okay, and inequality was, according to me, it was easy, and syllogism, some of the candidates say that it was PO pre-level, but yeah, you can say it was lengthy, right? And my one answer was either or. So whose examination is on the third shift, please let me know what's your answer, so we can recheck it again. And really we don't get proper time to recheck or check the questions again, because totally the just question was unbelievable. Direction and distance question, 3 question, and one of the answer I remember that was 7 centimeter or meter. One question come from pair based, I think the word was asked dynamic, and 2 pair was formed from the word, and one question formed meaningful word formation, and that word like ACRE, that kind of word you form, and from there I make the 2 words like race and care, so that's why I tick the option more than one. Square based puzzle question asked, and I think considering word kind of word is given there, asked there, and here you have to decrease vowel by 1 and consonant by 2. I was not sure that consonant -1 or vowel -1, but that kind of question they ask. Okay, so that's the overall portion of this reasoning, and yeah, it was too much lengthy. Okay, comparison to math, it was not so lengthy, but yeah, it's time taking. Okay, so next if I talk about the math question, so 12 to 13 question come from simplification, and the simplification question like this, like 4 to 8 3, not this is not the exact question, but the question asks from like this, like very long digits they ask, and one of the simplification I avoid because I cannot find the right option. I think that was 24,040 divided by 1924, that was, I am not sure, but the options given there in the answer palette portion, that was 12, 37.5, 12.5, I mean that was fractional form. Okay, so you have to take so much time to solve these questions. Okay, and number series, you see here that 2 questions I have written here. If I find the more 3 to 4 questions, then I will write it in my comment box, okay, or description box. So number series, first question 2 to 8, 32, 92, that kind of question, 234.6, 234.6, 288, 480. Missing number series they asked, but it was totally, I think it was PO pre-level, RRB PO pre-level. And one of the pattern was 0.5 into 10, 1 into 1 plus 20, 2 into 2 plus 30, that kind of pattern was going on there. And table DI and bar graph, line graph based DI they ask, and table DI subject was number of car manufactured and truck manufactured, and the question there was asked like this, number of cars manufactured by E was 3/5 of the truck manufactured by D. So what is the number of cars manufactured by E? Or here is the question that was asked, it's lengthy, means you have to give time of 1 minute or 1.20 seconds, I mean 1 minute to 20 seconds to give all the question answer, and most of the questions answer will be there in the 5th option, so it was totally time taking process. Okay, if I talk about the line graph DI, like items manufactured was given and items sold was given, but most of the question they ask from unsold, so you have to calculate them. It was line graph DI, and yeah, I actually chart out the all options, and the digit was like 4200, 35,000, 25,000, 25,000, sorry, 2,500. So 4 digits number was given like this, 2500, 3600. This is not the exact number, just I will show you what kind of digit they ask there. Okay, and the questions they ask, 4 to 5 questions come from there, and it was also lengthy. Okay, and arithmetic questions, 12 to 13 arithmetic questions I cannot solve, I mean I cannot see all the arithmetic questions rather, and March, June, July average temperature was given, and the digit was 350 or something else, I don't remember right now, and most of the time they ask the questions of digit of lengthy digits like 350 or 304. Okay, and one questions come from age based, and the answer was I think 60, and age based question, you see here that Mohit and Sham M and S and Rohit together age given, Rohit is 6 years younger than Mohit, and some years elder than Sham. So what is the digit was given? I don't remember the digit. And what is the age of Mohit and Sham after 3 years? So that kind of question, one question from partnership based, and I cannot look the last 5 to 6 questions come from this arithmetic portion because there was no time to check it out. Okay, and yeah, if I talk about the attempt, so my attempt is 70. In maths I attempted 30 questions, and reasoning I attempted 40 questions. I don't know what happened, and I know that I give my 100% in my preparation time. So let's see what happened. Maybe normalization will take place here, and if my accuracy is good, then I feel that they will normalize the score. Okay, so yeah, that's the overall review of this third shift RRB clerk 13th of August exam. And what's your attempt in this shift? And if you have any questions, remember, please let me know in the comment section. And really I feel relaxed to see the answer if I match it with any other aspirants. So yeah, that's all. Totally I am depressed after giving this examination and feel really what I cannot say anything. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Share this video in your friends. Thank you so much. Goodbye, take care, and tata.